Hi everyone. So today we will talk about Openclaw, or you can say Maltbot or ClawdBot, whatever you want to say. Now its official name is Openclaw. I'm trying it out from last 48 hours, and here is like I'm talking to from my Telegram bot and doing a lot of stuffs. Here is the control I can show you where you can handle all the settings here from the window. We will cover a lot of stuffs like explain you what it is, how it works, if it's really worth the hustle to set up it out or not. Like hype is different and what is the actual use case is very different, right? There are other ways to do it, there are other secure ways to do it. Then we will explore some crazy use cases, and at the end like the security stuff and all, so it will be very useful. Let me go to the like Openclaw website. And so like Openclaw founder built a lot of agents in past, and now they combine all of their agents to one agent to call Openclaw. Openclaw is one agent to monitor, but in the background it have thousands of other agents, and every agents have their different skill set. Like few agents can search, few agents can create videos, few agents can do something else, and few agents can check your emails and reply to them. Right? So it is really a agent which manages thousands of other agents to do work for you. That's why it feels so automated that it can do anything on the internet. So that's in the very basic language what Openclaw is. Now how it works. So what you have to do is you have to set up it out somewhere, and then you have to give the permissions. Like if you want to check the emails, you have to give the email permissions. You have to give your API keys so it can contact to like LLM models and generate answers for you. You have to give search APIs if you want the search capability in it. Like you have to set up it out whatever you want, but once it's set up, it can do automatically work for you. Now let's go to the very juicy part, how you can install and use it for $0. Even you don't have to pay for API costs. There is a workaround for that also. So I am on their website right now, and here you can see like you can change according to like if you want to go Mac OS or Linux or Windows. Like I tried out in Mac also. It's very easy setup on the Mac, and I highly recommend if you have a Mac, you can try it out. That is very easy setup compared to Windows. I also tried out in the window, and using the PowerShell you can do it there also. So here is the one command you have to run. Once you run this particular command, it's a like a one-liner command. It will check for all the requirements. Once your requirement is fulfilled, then it install in my system. Again, if you are like a person who concerned about security a lot, use either VPS or $5, or don't buy Mac Mini. I don't think that like you have to buy Mac Mini, but you can set up it out on VPS if you want, or you if you have old laptop. But I've seen a lot of people are installing in their Mac OS with proper settings, like they are giving it a specific folder section. You just have to copy this command, and you can paste in your terminal, or and if you are using Windows, you can put it on your PowerShell. Once it's done, it will ask you some questions. My CloudBot is already set up, but I can tell you the answer you have to give. You have to give your API keys. You can also use free API keys from Google Vertex AI. It gives around like $300, which is enough for you to try out this tool and even use it for like month or 2 months. So you can use that API, Google Vertex API. I'm using OpenAI because their OpenAI models are good and I really want them. So you have to choose your API keys provider or model. Then you have to choose which medium you want to go with. Like I choose the Telegram way. You have to just create a bot. Entire process is explained there. You can just read it out and it will be fulfilled. Again, you can do it in the like $0. Use Google AI Vertex credentials, like their API keys. Set up it locally on your own system, but make sure there are security concerns because it's have no guardrails. It's up to you. If you can handle it out, handle it. Otherwise I recommend you to use the VPS if you can spend some money, like $5, very cheap. Now let me show you some juicy part where I'm like actually using it. I use a command called Openclaw dashboard, which give me a unique link where I can open my dashboard. And there is another command called Open Gateway Restart, which help you to start your open gateway. Like when I am talking to Jarvis, there is a gateway connection because we are using it in our local. You have to restart every time you opening your laptop. It is doing by default for me, but if it's not for you, you have to do it. So once you can restart, you can chat with this bot. If you want to do the UI thing for in your laptop, you can use Openclaw dashboard, which give you a URL with a token that you can open in your browser. Like I have opened here. It's like giving by a unique URL. You can chat here like I am doing from here. You can also chat from here. Here is the overview. All the settings like channels, instance, and all other stuffs is here. Like you can give the skills. You can set up your config. You can set up the nodes here. Like if you want to like another skills like Apple Notes. If you want to connect with Apple Notes and you want that it can talk to your Apple Notes, you can do here. Like install mem0 vi homebrew and all the stuffs. It will guide you all through all that. It's crazy good. So here is right now how I am using. I just message from Telegram and it will automatically do the task. I shared everything about me to here, and now I just message him like create a script or do something like this, and OpenClaw automatically do for me. And now let's discuss some use cases which I think is very useful. The first use case I can think of it like as using cron jobs for, like, I really like to read about AI. I just give him a cron job that every day just give me the AI news which is very relevant to me, which is very relevant to my persona. I also use it for my SaaS email handling. Like if there is any urgent email, send me out on Telegram a message. So I don't have to like regularly check email and refresh that if something is important or any user is asking for me to anything related to that. And one I think I recommend you to like ask OpenClaw that, okay, according to you, what you know about me, tell me everything you can automate for me. That's really work for me. You should have to try this out. Please go and check it out. It will like go crazy. You can also like do competitor research, and you can do like anything which you can think of if you have given the skills which require for that. If you try to like do a search task, have not given search APIs, it will not able to perform, of course, right? So this is everything I'm trying out and I want to share it with you. Please make sure there is a security concerns. It's have no guardrails, so it can do anything, but I find it really cool. I want to try it out, and it's, I think in few days it will be very stable and we can do like great things using this. And I'm very exciting and will share a lot of things with you also, guys. Bye bye, see you in next video.